Hey there, it's Dr. Christine, the Digestion Doc, helping people regain their freedom from the crappiest health conditions like Crohn's, ulcerative colitis, chronic constipation, and more. I'm able to help even the most challenging cases by effectively and accurately finding the source of stress. In today's video, I'm going to discuss something I've never talked about before, which is histamine. You may be super familiar with the term antihistamines. That's because these are common over-the-counter medications often used during the dreaded allergy season and so on. But what you may not know is that histamines are necessary. They actually protect us. But what happens when our bodies are under stress is that histamines are not able to properly be destroyed. And that's when you have an accumulation of histamine, and that is when histamines may occur. This is a digestion problem. More on that later. Histamines are distributed by specialized cells in your body called mast cells. These cells carry histamine. Particularly high amounts of histamine cells are found in your nose, your mouth, get this, your feet and your blood vessels. Other cells called basophils contain histamine as well, but these cells are not as mobile. So here's the crazy thing. We're going to talk about mast cells, but specifically because these histamine cells are in your feet, this means your posture, your footwear choices, your cardiovascular integrity are also to be considered when it comes to allergy season. Often, when patients tell me their nose and eyes run a lot during the change of seasons, I explain to them that during this time, their footwear also changes. Women tend to wear more high heels and flip-flops in this time. Since these specialized histamine cells are also located in the feet, it's not a coincidence when the allergies are triggered. So don't blame the trees and the pollen, blame your feet, your posture, and your choices in footwear. Now, why do I keep saying posture? Because when your posture is off, when your hips, when your shoulders, when your head carriage is unlevel, this is going to impact your heel and foot strike. There are no new processes in disease, only normal processes going too fast, too slow, or out of sync with other processes. Remember, stress is stress. Stress causes symptoms. I urge you to consider being a solution seeker versus a symptom chaser. In my office, I look for those deviations from normal, and I do this by ordering a targeted energy test. This test is done via your urine, and although this is easy for patients to collect, there are only a handful of labs that properly evaluate the results I'm looking for. So whether it's that constant runny nose, constant sneezing, or the most challenging and chronic cases of constipation or diarrhea, consider working with me to discover your sources of digestive stress. Let's find out where you're not getting energy to your body, because it has everything to do with food. If you'd like to learn more about working with me, just click that link or give us a call at 586-685-2222 to set up your very first conversation with me. I'm Dr. Christine Kazmar, the Digestion Doc. I'll talk to you next time.